Hi, welcome to Tailored by Naylor Creative Art Studio. I'm Jessica. Let's get started.
Okay, so today we're going to draw a strawberry milkshake. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the shape of our cup. So we're just going to come down at a slant, kind of like an angle, like that. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to bring another line down like that to about the same distance as the other one. All right, and then we're just going to draw a curved line to connect the two lines, and then we're going to come up about maybe half an inch and draw another curved line that is parallel to the first one that we did, like that. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come up to about right here and draw the same curved line, but at the top, just connecting the two sides. All right, so bringing this line up a little bit so that it is at the same height as this one, we're going to go ahead and start drawing our strawberry drizzle. So we're just going to draw kind of just like a wavy line. It kind of looks like a really smooth cloud, and then bring a drip down like that, like a really deep U shape, and then do it again, but not so deep, because we want our drizzle to look like it's natural, and of course they wouldn't be the same shape. All right, then on this side we're going to draw kind of a hump like that, so that this side can have drizzle as well. And we're just going to bring it down once on this side and curve it back up like that. All right, then where we kind of have this little pointed shape is where we're going to add the roundness of our, like the rim of the cup. So I'm just going to bring it around like that and make it poke out just a little bit on the side, and then bring it back in like that. All right, and then we're going to bring our line across to the drizzle on this side. And then we need another line underneath that one to bring it across like that. And so it's supposed to be a little bit higher on this side, and then it comes back up higher on this side so that it keeps the round shape of the cup. So this bottom part of the rim would end up about right there. And then coming over here, we're going to bring it a little bit higher so that it still keeps the round shape. All right, next we're going to kind of split our cup in half by drawing strawberry syrup at the bottom. So I'm just gonna go up and down like this so that it has different heights of strawberry drizzle like that, and then just connect it to the side. All right, on the top for the ice cream or whipped cream, I'm just going to draw a curve on this side, then come to this side and draw a curve also. This side is going to be taller because on this side the drizzle was in the way, so this is kind of a short C shape, and over here it is like a backwards C shape, but it's taller because there's nothing here. All right, then we're going to connect the two by bringing a U shape down like that and just connecting it on the side. All right, so we're going to do this one more time. We're going to draw a C shape on this side, and on this side we're going to leave it plain because we're going to draw some strawberry syrup at the top, so we don't want to draw that right now, but we do want to finish the kind of the shape of this layer of ice cream. I'm going to leave a space right here, and you'll see why in just a second. All right, and about right here, maybe halfway through. All right, we're gonna draw another shape, and each time you can see it's getting smaller and smaller. All right, so here's another one, and this time we're gonna bring it over and stop about right here. All right, so the reason that I stopped on this side with these different whipped cream shapes is so that we can add drizzle. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring a curved line down like this, and another one, and then this one is going to kind of hang off the side like that. And then I want to bring the drizzle or the strawberry syrup up to this point, but we're going to add a straw. So about right here, I'm going to draw, it kind of looks like a smiley face shape. And then we're just going to draw a line coming up, another line coming up, and then we're just going to connect it with a rounded oval like that. All right, so now we can finish our drizzle. So I'm going to bring this drizzle behind the straw and then just connect it up here where we started. All right, so the last thing we need to do is draw our last whipped cream. And on this one, we're going to bring the C shape around, but instead of connecting it to this side, we want it to have like a wave type shape at the top. So I'm going to bring it back around like an S and then bring it to this point over here. All right, now right here we left a space so that we could draw a strawberry. So we're just gonna draw a strawberry shape, like a rainbow that kind of has a more pointed top. It's not perfectly rounded. A line underneath so it's kind of tucked into the ice cream. And then when we color it, we'll add the details on the inside of the strawberry. All right. We'll also add details with our coloring down here in the milkshake part because we'll add different kinds of pinks. All right, way down here to turn it into a cute strawberry milkshake, I'm going to draw 2 big circles for the eyes. Put a smile in the middle. We'll give her 2 eyelashes on each side. And then I'm just going to draw the irises down here. She's kind of looking down and to the left. And then add 2 circles on each eye as our highlighting circles or highlighting light. All right, and then we just color in the pupils of the eye. That, and do the one over here on the left. All right, and that gives us a cute little face for our strawberry milkshake. So we'll go to the time lapse of me coloring it, and that's where we can add in more details. Okay, so that is it for our strawberry milkshake. I came in and colored everything. I added highlighting lines and details to the milkshake part so you could see little chunks of strawberry on the inside. You can tailor your milkshake however you want it. If you look over here at the tailor station, on the top picture, I have a chocolate milkshake with pretty much chocolate everywhere. There's chocolate syrup in the cup, chocolate ice cream on the inside, chocolate syrup and chocolate sprinkles all over the top. Even the straw is chocolate. Down here for the second milkshake, I drew kind of a caramel milkshake. So it has kind of a caramel flavored or light colored ice cream in the background. And then there is caramel syrup at the bottom and of course drizzling down the top. And then for something special, I drew strawberry syrup on top of the ice cream. Down here is a rainbow milkshake. So I did a different color on each layer, just the colors of the rainbow. And then I added a kind of a vanilla or an icing to the top of this one instead of a chocolate or strawberry syrup. On all 3 of the different milkshakes, I did different eyes, and you can add whatever kind of eyes you want. A good place to look for ideas for eyes is just looking at different emoji faces. Their mouths are also different, and I think that's about it. The only other thing that I can tell you to do that if you wanted to tailor it to your liking is to change the background. You could draw it outside, you could add your favorite food beside it. I hope you enjoyed drawing this strawberry milkshake with me today. And if you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you won't miss out on any Tailored by Naylor videos.